In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn money from Telegram channel. We'll cover the most reliable ways creators turn attention into income, and I'll explain how each option works so you can choose what fits your content and audience best. First up, sponsored posts. This is where advertisers pay to place their message in your channel. You can sell directly by setting your own price list and media kit, or use platforms like Collaborator.pro to connect with brands. Common formats are 1x24, meaning the post is pinned or kept at the top for an hour and remains in the feed for 24 hours, or a permanent placement that stays forever. Keep screenshots of your channel's analytics handy. Clarify what's included, like links, images, or reposts, and always label sponsored content to keep trust high. Next, paid subscriptions and private channels. Tools like Invitma Member, Metrogram, or NAS.io let you charge for premium access, coaching, or a tight-knit community. Decide what members get: exclusive posts, early access, Q&A sessions, or resources, and set clear pricing and renewal terms. Automate entry and removals through the bot so members get instant access after payment and your workload stays light. If your public channel has at least 1,000 subscribers, explore the Telegram Ad Revenue Program. You can enable ads in your channel settings and earn in Toncoin. Payouts depend on your audience size and engagement. So focus on consistent, original content that grows your reach. Keep an eye on your analytics to see what drives watch time and clicks. Affiliate marketing is another strong option. Share unique referral links for products on platforms like Amazon or ClickBank, and you'll earn a commission on sales. Choose offers that genuinely match your audience's interests, be transparent about affiliate relationships, and add a short, honest recommendation explaining why the product is useful. Track performance so you can double down on what converts. You can also sell your own products or services. Think ebooks, courses, templates, or merchandise. Use simple payment links and deliver content through Telegram files or gated links for a smooth buyer experience. Offer clear descriptions, refund terms, and a way for customers to reach you for support. Finally, consider donations and channel support. Many creators use bots to receive crypto tips, including Ton. Make it easy to contribute. Thank supporters publicly if they're comfortable with it, and explain how donations help you produce more value. Pick one or two methods to start. Refine your approach with feedback and analytics, and scale what works. That's all to it.